Our early adopters were ones who were part of the process early on, so they already knew about the competencies. So we weren't selling something to them. They saw them and were interested in using them, and that's how they were some of the ones who were in the early feedback process as well. If not them, at least their leadership was, and so it was an easier segue with our early adopters.
A real intentional um, coaching practices around like, this is how this work can actually make your life easier as a teacher because it provides clarity for kids. It's like it helps you like explicitly identify skills where students are struggling, like the progressions are like it's like a built-in like differentiation guide for you, right? Like it's you're not like racking your brain around like what might they do next. Like so I constantly try to help people to see it as a tool that can actually make the hard work that you're doing already um, easier in the long run for you and for kids.